Hello and welcome back. This is Kausar. Welcome to my channel Mobile Solution World Italy. Its short name is Repair Tutti. I will repair all type of electronics device. Today in this video I will share with you some basic mobile service equipment. This video is for beginner professionals who is already working. Here I have some mobile servicing tools. I will explain all these tools. It's called digital hot gun. It have for for mobile servicing. This is the important things to take off this type of IC, this type of component. Okay, and this is a mobile servicing tools. It's called digital power supply. It means here is lot of voltage, like 0 to here is 15 volt, max 15 volts. You can regulate it any type of voltage here like this. Okay, 15.56 volt. You can, using this volume, you can increase decrease voltage to test any type of component. And here is another tools. It's called multi-charger. Using this device you can charge multi phone at a time. Okay, here is a digital microscope. It's not for beginner, advanced mobile servicing kit. Okay, and it's called avometer. This is the avometer for check voltage, AC DC voltage, etc etc. Okay, and this is, it's called soldering lead. For soldering this type of here it will need, and for this, for cleaning PCB, here for cleaning PCB you need this, and this is also a thinner. Okay, here is BATC tape, and you need like this type of brushes, like this type of tools. This for only for beginners, okay, not for professionalists. Thank you and have a good day.